Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining the assistant scope and persona. Be specific about 1-3 core tasks. Next, pick a model type, hosted API or open source, based on cost versus latency and maintenance. Set a budget. Once chosen, collect and clean example prompts and labeled responses, check for private data, and standardize formats. Then set up a lightweight repo with dependency management and a testing harness. Run a simple end-to-end call to confirm authentication and basic response flow. You now construct the core pipeline. Design prompt templates that include context, system instructions, and slot values. Make sure to manage token limits with context windows and a memory strategy, short-term versus long-term. Integrate safety filters and input sanitization before sending requests, and implement caching and rate limits to control costs. Once integrated, build evaluation hooks, automated metrics, regression tests, and human review cycles. Iterate on prompts until responses meet clarity, accuracy, and tone. You finish by deploying through CI/CD into staging, then a canary or blue-green rollout. Validate end-to-end flows under realistic load. Once live, monitor latency, cost per call, accuracy and hallucination rate, and collect user feedback for continuous improvements. If problems appear, reproduce the failing interaction, inspect context and prompt state, then adjust templates, add guardrails, or retrain on curated examples. A key troubleshooting tip: if responses drift, isolate the context window and test minimal prompts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.